Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a modern study abroad poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. First, go to the rectangle tool and draw our artboard size rectangle. Apply this blue color to it. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Go to the File menu, and Place. Select the sky image, and place it. Link to this image and other assets mentioned in the description of the video. Adjust its size. Go to the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Apply the gradient to it, using the Gradient panel. Adjust its gradient and select both. Open the Transparency panel, and click on the Make Mask button. Change the blend mode to Overlay. Select the Pen tool and create a rough rectangle. Hold the Alt button and click on the straight line to change it to a curve. Follow the process. Now, place the second image. Right-click on it, Arrange, and Send backward. Select both, right-click on them, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Adjust it using the Direct Selection tool. Make a copy of it, and then paste it in front. Rotate it to cover the blank part of the shape. Repeat with the top part. Double-click on it to open the isolation mode. Create a shape using the Pen tool. Apply the white color to it. Change the blend mode to Overlay and opacity to 30%. Now I have this airplane vector. Place it here. Now it's time to add text to the design. Follow my text settings. place the other elements in the design. Follow the process. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.